Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by gathering evidence, the original receipt or box showing the serial or IMEI, and any proof you legally own the iPhone 5s. Once done, make sure you confirm the device model and whether activation lock is active on boot. Contact the previous Apple ID holder and ask them to remove the device from their iCloud account. This is the fastest, legitimate route. If you cannot reach them, prepare to contact Apple with ownership documents to request official removal assistance. You will need to contact Apple support directly and present verifiable ownership, a government ID plus the original receipt linking the serial or IMEI to your name. Make sure to take clear photos or scans of those documents before calling. Once connected, explain the situation concisely and request activation lock removal. Apple will guide you through their verification process. If asked, be ready to provide the device in store, at an Apple store, or authorized service provider for Once Apple accepts your evidence, follow their instructions to restore the phone or remove the device from iCloud. Make sure to back up any accessible data before you proceed. If the request is denied, identify which documents are missing or attempt to contact the prior owner again. Often a missing receipt or unclear ownership is the blocking issue. If things go wrong, do not use third-party bypass tools or paid unlockers. Those can damage the device, violate law, and prevent future service.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.